In KDE Plasma, items on your taskbar display a small audio volume icon. Clicking this icon will mute or unmute the sound from that particular application or tab. However, it's very easy to click this icon accidentally, especially when using the Icons Only Task Manager, which can leave you wondering why there's no sound. If you don't need this feature, you can disable it. Right-click on an empty spot on the taskbar or on any open application, and select Configure Icons Only Task Manager or the equivalent option for your task manager. In the newly opened Settings window, uncheck Show an indicator when a task is playing audio. Apply the settings. Although it's not strictly necessary, you may want to restart your system to ensure the changes are fully applied. And that's how you disable it.
I am the god of YouTube. Like, subscribe, jingle bells.